You have much more hard-earned money, and rather than spending to live a luxury life, you're still investing. You're not playing a smart move. Sounds intriguing, right? Well, I have much more to tell you how you can upgrade yourself while enjoying your money. However, there are some things you can purchase that will elevate the quality of your life. Welcome to my YouTube channel, the source of inspiration for the future billionaires. Well, someone like you, of course. In today's video, I'll tell you about the research I did recently, what we should do to upgrade our lifestyles after getting enough money. I think that to become a billionaire, you must spend money today to better your lifestyle rather than saving and investing more money for future. Your social network will expand, and your personality will depict how rich you are. I'll walk you through the 11 most important points of my research about upgrading things after you get money. Also, make sure to watch the video till the very end so you don't miss any of our important points. Also, if you're not subscribed, what are you doing? Subscribe now for more videos that may increase the pace of your wealth and success, because I almost create similar videos, and even if 1% of my viewers or subscriber can benefit from my videos, well, that makes me so happy. So you might be a part of that 1%. Let's begin. Number 1. Maintain your physical strength. First thing is, healthier you are, the more joyful the money is. Get a trainer without a second thought. Pay them in advance and let them know that you're serious about changing. They'll help you sort your turmoil and hold you accountable. It's time you recoup your investment since you already paid the money. Your mood will definitely improve. More people will pay attention to you, and I think that's what you want as well. The level of confidence will also elevate. When you see the outcomes, you get dependent. Know that this sensation will pass if you're now sitting on couch watching this and hate the thought of heading to the gym. It will become a natural part of who you are once those results start coming in. The timing will be made by your schedule. Get a trainer and they'll come to the gym nearest your home after the friction has been removed. Start by getting all your gym equipments. Additionally, we'll be surrounded by attractive individuals who take fantastic care of their bodies. Number 2. Take good and healthy food. You only eat food that satisfies your hunger. You could add some ketchup and chili sauce to make it more delectable. Something wonderful occurs. Your perspective of conduct alters if you have some money. Suddenly, you have the intelligence to understand that food is essentially fuel, and that by choosing this meal over that, you may extend your day's productivity, concentration, and training by an additional hour. Number 3. Living in posh area. I noticed that most significant life decision you will make is probably where you will reside. According to statistics, it will affect everything from who you marry to who your friends are, what you like to do for leisure, and even your political and religious convictions. The more money you make in life, the closer you are to it. You know, living at the bottom isn't pleasant since there are all kinds of weirdos there. There isn't much going on, and getting anywhere worthwhile requires travel. The office or workspace may be seen the closer you are to it. The more time you have, the more things you can do in advance. Number 4. Maintain your schedule. Your goal would next be to maintain your schedule after you have the money. It's difficult to be creative or to appreciate life when you've spent the entire day logging boulders up the mountain like Sisyphus just to repeat the process every day going forward. Delegate everything. Your calendar and schedule should be clear. A busy schedule and thoughts will prevent you from producing anything outstanding. Take this seriously, then people will desire your time now that you are financially established. Keep your options open, but never make time for coffee dates with anyone unless they provide you a compelling reason to. So when it comes down to it, this is the real choice you have to make. Number 5. Interact with your teachers. People with intelligence understand that learning never ends. You simply raise your mentors and professors to become more specialized. They therefore possess newer information and deeper perspectives. You look forward to experts and you use their advice to do more in less time. An executive coach often costs several $1,000s a month, making them pricey and out of price range of average people. Just to get on a Zoom call and talk to you for an hour, but you will definitely be getting results. You have no trouble paying as a result. These instructors are knowledgeable at this level and will guide you through these steps. Number 6. Your convenience. Walking is free, yet even though it is free, individuals still choose to use Uber. Yet tap water is free. If you're in front of store, you'll still purchase a bottle of water. For your benefit, money does buy convenience. Flying now brings you to the same service that you previously had traveling on roads. One of the best conveniences is being private. Not only do you choose when the flight takes off, but you also arrive at the airport, get into the car, and get dropped off the plane's entry before boarding and taking off. There are no queues or lineup to frustrate you since security already has your information and has approved your travel. Number 7. Upgrade your house subscription for essential and cleaning services. Although it may seem unnecessary, you should outsource the unnecessary duties in your life. With your newfound wealth, you can now choose someone else to do your remaining tasks, giving you more time to do the task that's been pending for a while. To prevent hobbies like walking your own dog, find someone to do things that you don't want to do and pay them to do them. Setting your payment to autopay is a terrific idea if you like playing with that nice guy and following the organized schedule on your calendar. Number 8. Spend money and time with your family. Family time could look extremely different if you earn some money. Although we don't want to give our siblings and parents extravagant gifts, they could need help paying their mortgages. Paying it off for them can demonstrate your affection for them. If their financial burden is lessened, your parents will have more money to care for themselves and enjoy healthier lives. We always welcome family members to join us so they won't feel like they're taking advantage of us. They continue to pay for their travel and other expenses, but we cover the cost of their house discreetly. This enables us to keep the experience at a high grade while giving them the idea that they are still contributing. It's easy to wander away when life is wildly chaotic and frantic. However, keep them up since they are crucial links. Number 9. Maintain your face, skin, and looks. Fix your face or whatever that is that makes you insecure. We're not kidding. It is preventing you from getting hair removal more frequently, fixing your teeth, your crooked nose, getting laser surgery, and improving your vision. You should get rid of those skin spots, put some cash behind it to look good, then get some rest skincare. Your daily interactions with other individuals are a reflection by your face. Your self-assurance will soar to new heights, and you will see how it affects every area of your life. Number 10. Replace your bed mattress, pillows, and linens with comfortable ones. When you're impoverished, you don't understand how comfortable your sleeping conditions are. You don't even know when you're entirely rested or you're woken up. Whether you have trouble falling asleep, staying asleep for long periods of time, or if your body takes care of itself so that it can function at best during the day. Let's pretend that impoverished folks overpay for TVs and vehicles because of your bed. Rich folks overpay for their pillows and mattresses. You won't regret your choice if you treble whatever amount you were planning to spend on a mattress and then look for alternatives in that range. When you have enough money on your own, get a mattress, pillows, and linens with a thread count of at least 500. You won't even again sleep the same way. We now get less rest than we do at home when we stay in 5-star hotel. And finally, number 11. Participate in charity works. You've been so preoccupied in reinvesting in your business that you don't have much to share. However, that has to change, and we promise you'll get your money worth. You want to know a secret? People that are open to sharing have access to more from the cosmos. It needs human to propagate it. Every time we increase our donations, fresh riches and opportunities appear as if it's magic. The better we conceive of it in percentage terms, the earlier you start. Giving up a month's worth of pay to benefit others only costs you 4.16% of your income. We're sure you'll be able to live off the remainder, but the emotional toll it'll have on you will be staggering. Additionally, we think that right now you could use some positive karma in your life. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, be sure to subscribe to this channel, which will motivate me enough to make more videos. See you soon.